Investors, when they work with us, should feel very confident because our priority is transparency and secondly, being passionate about continuous improvement. Our investment process happens every single day. We're an exceptionally difficult business. To do this well, you have to have an incredible process.
RRA's investment process is a really unique one. Many of us come from an investment background, owning, operating, managing real estate. When we look at opportunities, we look at them through that type of lens. We really get into the business plan and focus heavily on that as opposed to what the numbers might tell us.
RRA follows a very disciplined investment process that provides consistency and predictability no matter changes in the deal, the sponsor, or the market over time. That kind of consistency and predictability builds trust, and trust is the core function of compliance.
Our investment philosophy always starts with the real estate itself. Real estate's like snowflakes. There's not any two that are alike.
We don't paint with a broad brush. What we do is we dig into the particulars, we dig into the details. That's how we generate durable returns in bridge lending.
Our upside is really capped. All we have to do is really protect our downside. And the first filter is definitely our incredibly talented originations personnel, the people who are on the front lines talking to the brokers constantly. They see hundreds and hundreds of deals every year. The next stage in our investment plan, really it comes into our underwriting team. The underwriting team definitely does ask some of the hard questions to our originators. They put in a deposit and that's when the real diligence starts.
Every deal we see is so nuanced. There's just a million ways they can go wrong. Do we feel like we still have adequate protection for our investors? If things start to go off track, we think we can handle it. So we boil it down and try to answer the question, could this be a good deal for our investors?
We're upfront about what we can do and what we can't do, and then we make sure and we do it as we said.
We want to foster a culture where everyone feels safe to communicate what they think about investments. I want to make sure everyone in our company speaks up, being open to critical feedback.
We know we're not perfect, but we know that if we can be honest with each other and say, this is where we can get better, we always have some place to go.
So our investors should be very confident in partnering with RRA for a number of reasons, but primarily because of our stated core values being one.
I think the one that stands out the most for us is being reliable. I mean, you have to be reliable, you have to be there for the mortgage broker.
We have a core value here of reliability. And to me, I want that to be boring. I enjoy bringing the predictability to what we do.
I think the core value that I try to think about on the origination side is enjoyable to be around. I think both internally and externally, that's a great core value to have.
Enjoyable to work with means clarity. Clear documents, clear expectations, and no surprises.
I think we're just trying to be smarter as a company. Individually, I think we're just a group of very hardworking, smart people. But I think that comes together to make a smart company.
Our track record, our continuous commitment to excellence and progress and improvement within everything that we do and we touch. So making sure that our investor experience is as great as it can be.
As an investor working with RRA, one thing that you will get is radical transparency.
We have everything under the same roof. Originations, underwriting, asset management, servicing, it's all here.
Our technology is constantly evolving. We're always finding new ways to leverage AI.
Because we're able to pivot quickly, that preserves their capital.
Everything we have to do is for the best of our investor. Really focusing on win-win-win scenarios.
We invest differently because we really enjoy investing in hard things. We get so excited about finding the diamonds in the rough. It's because we're really passionate about doing something great with our lives. And we think this firm just might be that.